Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and mount your Blink Outdoor 4 camera. From unboxing to the live view, let's get started. Included with your Blink Outdoor 4 are 2 lithium batteries, a mounting kit, and a versatile adapter, used both to open the weather-resistant back cover and for attaching your camera to various surfaces. Now, to set up, start by downloading the Blink Home Monitor app and creating an account. If this is your first Blink device, you'll need to add a sync module to your system before adding your camera. The Outdoor 4 works with any sync module, including the Sync Module XR, the Sync Module Core, or the Sync Module 2. Now, once your sync module is online, you're ready to add the camera. The first thing you'll want to do is open the weatherproof back of the Outdoor 4 using the tool that they provided for you. Then insert the included lithium batteries. For the best performance and battery life, always use lithium batteries with your Blink camera. Now open the Blink Home Monitor app and from the Add Device screen, choose Wireless Camera. Scan the QR code inside the back cover of your Outdoor 4 camera, select the system you want to add to the camera, and then tap Continue. You'll see a message confirming your camera was added successfully, so just tap Done. If you're pairing with a Sync Module XR, aka Extended Range, you'll now choose your network type. Wi-Fi, Extended Range, or Extended Range Plus. Now, if you want to customize your camera name, just tap the serial number and update it to whatever you like. You can keep it simple with something like Backyard Guardian, or go wild with something fun like the Night Watcher. Whatever fits your vibe, just tap, type, and you're all set. Now that our Blink Outdoor 4 camera is connected to our Home Monitor app, we're going to mount it on the wall. Today, I'm installing 2 wood. We're gonna place our mount exactly where we want the camera to be, and it only takes 2 screws. Done. Now we're just gonna place our Blink Outdoor 4 on the mount, and you'll find that little circle piece that connects here. You'll just wanna line it up and lock it in. And now we're done. Now, just a tip, you want to avoid placing your camera near bright lights, swaying branches, or heavy street activity that can activate the camera and shorten battery life. Make sure your camera has a strong signal to both Wi-Fi and the sync module. 3 bars or more is ideal. And you can check your signal strength by opening the camera, selecting device settings, and navigating to general settings. Now, once mounted, swivel the camera so you can get the view that you want. To fully customize your Blink Outdoor 4 to your liking, just open the Blink app. You can tweak your motion zones, adjust how sensitive it is, turn notifications on or off, and even connect it to Alexa so you can go hands-free. For more how-tos and helpful tips, hit subscribe and check out the rest of our Blink setup series.